Hey Talkster, Luke here, how's it going? And in today's video we are doing an interior detail on the 2007 Volvo V70 D5 that I picked up last week for just £550. That's right, if you've not checked that video out already, there's a link in the top right of this video. Go and click on that and I'll give you an overview of this car. But suffice it to say, it was a hell of a car for the money, and it's definitely worth watching that video if you've not already and coming back to this one. But since we're on lockdown at the moment and we can't leave the house, it was a perfect time to give this car a nice deep clean. Right, so this is kind of my novel approach to not taking the seat out of the car, because we've got the memory seats, they're heated, they've got airbags, there's just too much under there that I don't really want to disturb, but don't have to. Plus that plug doesn't look very friendly to take off, so I don't really want to damage anything. But the battery's disconnected and the seat's kind of suspended on the wheel on this side, so it's not going to go forward. We've got plenty of space underneath to actually clean and wet vac the carpet, so if I haven't to take the seats out. On the other side, because we don't have a wheel, we have to actually kind of suspend the seats on something, so if you have a look down here, there are anchor points on either side of the car, so I've kind of just kept this suspended a little bit like that. It's completely secure, but I need to suspend it just back slightly because there's wires underneath and I don't want to snag them. So this allows it to pivot on 4 big thick wires going to the other side of the car. So that's not going anywhere, it's not going to fall back, it's not going to go forward. So yeah, they're very safe to clean underneath now, and I think it's a better way than having to remove something and possibly damaging a safety system on the car. For the plastics and rubbers, I'm using Auto Finesse Verso diluted 10:1, and I've stuck it in a Sam's Interior detailing bottle just in case you're confused. I'm also using a detailing brush and various microfiber cloths to get the surfaces clean. Now the APC is perfect for cars interiors because not only is it an effective cleaner, it's also very cheap, and it also degreases the surface to make them less slippy. Cleaning the carpets involved saturating it with the Pro Clean carpet shampoo that I use, a Chemical Guys brush attachment attached to my keyled power drill, and then finally using a pneumatic Henry Wash wet extractor to remove the shampoo from the carpets. On to the most satisfying part of the detail, and that is the cream leather seats. Now the back seats weren't too dirty, they came up pretty well just using a microfiber cloth, but the front seats definitely benefited from using a magic eraser as well. Now the leather cleaner I'm using on this is actually one I found in the glove box of the car. I thought I'd give it a go, and it actually seems to be doing the job pretty well, so I stuck with it. But my recommended leather cleaner is Auto Finesse Hide, mainly because it's just got a really nice leathery rich smell, and the car smells fantastic when that's finished off. But in terms of scrubbing the seats down, well, I basically let the leather cleaner sit on it for a few seconds before coming in with the microfiber cloth to remove as much surface grime as possible. Now bear in mind, these are old leather seats, they're light colour, and I could see after the surface grime was taken off with the microfiber cloth that the leather was starting to lose its dye in certain places just from years of being sat on. So I was very careful when I hit it with the magic eraser just to tackle the grooves and the lines and go over very lightly. But the results really spoke for themselves. You could definitely see tens of thousands of miles of dirt and just grime being taken out of the seats, and they look so much newer and so much fresher when they're finished. And I really think this next shot after this with the before and after really shows how dirty the driver's seat was and how clean it came up. So there we have it, that is the interior detail on the Volvo V70. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But next up is going to be an exterior detail on this car, and I think the dark, deep blue paintwork is really going to pop with a machine polish. So if you want to see that video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you're alerted to that video as soon as it drops. But until then, thank you all for watching, see you soon and take care.